Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to get started with Tinkercad in 2026. If you're new to 3D design, don't worry. Tinkercad is designed to be simple, beginner-friendly, and completely web-based. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to access the platform, create your first project, and understand the basic tools. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and visit the Tinkercad website. Since Tinkercad runs entirely online, you don't need to install any software on your computer. Simply access the website and sign in with your account. If you don't have one yet, you can create one in just a few minutes. After signing in, you'll arrive at the Tinkercad dashboard. This is where all of your existing projects and future designs will be stored. Take a moment to explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with the available options. Next, click the *Create New Design ** button to open the 3D editor. You'll see a large blue workplane in the center of the screen. This is your workspace where you'll build your 3D models. On the right side, you'll find a collection of basic shapes such as boxes, cylinders, spheres, and wedges. Simply drag a shape onto the workplane to begin designing. Click any object to resize it, rotate it, move it, or adjust its height using the control handles that appear around it. Spend a few minutes practicing the camera controls as well. Use your mouse wheel to zoom in and out. Hold the right mouse button to rotate the view, and use the navigation controls to look at your model from different angles. Becoming comfortable with these controls will make designing much easier. As you gain confidence, experiment with combining shapes, changing colors, aligning objects, and grouping multiple parts together to create more detailed models. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. You can always use the undo button if something doesn't look right. And that's how to get started with Tinkercad in 2026. If this beginner's guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Tinkercad tutorials and 3D design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.